Hey you guys, and welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're doing a Wicks tutorial. Oh my goodness, yay! So Bay is getting his Wicks done today by my girl Coco because listen, we were experiencing a lot of thinning and we just didn't know what to do, so it was above me. We had to go see my girl Coco so she could properly diagnose the problem, and we found out not covering your locks at night unless you are sleeping on satin pillows or satin sheets. You have to make sure that you are covering your hair every night because cotton is not good for your hair. You should not sleep on cotton. It absorbs the natural oils from your scalp, and with that you end up with a lot of breakage and thinning locks. So this is where we're at right now. But not to worry, we're in good hands and we're about to fix all that. So like I said, Babe is getting Wicks. I'm not a wig specialist, so I won't pretend that I know exactly what's going on here, nor will I pretend or try to explain what's going on here. All I can say is we're in good hands, very good hands. So I know a lot of you are probably wondering, what are wigs? So wigs are locks that you've combined together to create one thick lock. So you would take 3 to 4 locks and combine them together, either using the rubber band method or you could freeform them, however you choose to do it. We chose to do the rubber band method. But then you would take a crochet needle and begin to crochet the locks together, and that's pretty much how you get wicks. The name supposedly comes from the wicks of the candle, which stands up rather than falling over. So that's how you got the name, and I believe it originated in Florida. Don't quote me on that, but I do believe it's a Florida thing. That explains a lot. So that is the origin of wigs and why we are getting wigs, and we're going to let Coco finish sectioning off his hair and doing her thing.
You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light, and it might taste bitter.
Alright, so we're done sectioning off his hair, and I am loving it. As you can see, I was already loving it, feeling it, digging it. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ay, ooh, kill him. Ay. Alright, so let's get back to the tutorial. So now she's going to begin crocheting the locks together, and I forgot to mention, Babe is officially 2 years locked. So this is pretty much a 2-year update too. As you can see, the struggle was real this second year around. We all can agree 2020 was a rough year for all of us. Can I get a man?
When you're answering to God, you can call me killer. As you look into my eyes, nothing but us.
Alright, so you see a little progress being made. We are towards the end of finishing this first lock. So this is a long process. We were here for about 4 hours, I want to say. So if you are thinking about getting wigs, be prepared to be there for a long time. And before I forget to mention, on January 24th, Coco is hosting a lock class. If you're in Atlanta and looking to learn from the girl who taught me, yeah, definitely get your slots because I'm going to be there. I'm going to be a model.
You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this
Alright, so we're wrapping this lock up. Her wig technique is beautiful. I certainly learned something today. I wasn't able to show you the full process because there is a special technique to wigs that you guys will be learning if you take her class. So I really wish I was able to show you, but we can't be exposing all the secrets, okay? So I am loving it. I love how they turned out. Babe has 18 locks now, so he went from 49 locks to 18. Talk about a transformation. So Coco went ahead and removed all the rubber bands because he had enough new growth for a retwist. So we about to do a retwist and style for the first time with his wigs. I am loving it. I cannot wait to get wigs. Babe, you have inspired me. I can't wait until my hair's long enough to get some wigs.
Won't get away, won't get away.
so we have finished the retwist, and now we're going to do a simple style, just a simple barrel roll. If you guys are interested in seeing a like full in-depth barrel roll tutorial, then you can like check out my my very first lock tutorial that's popping right now. That thing booming. So y'all might as well go ahead and check that out too. Ow, ow. We are done. I am loving how everything turned out. Like, look at those wigs. Coco, you surely did that. You did that, girl. Don't forget, January 24th, Coco is hosting a lock class. You do not want to miss it. There's only about 6 slots left, so make sure you go ahead and sign up. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. And hold on, I just want to show you guys my nails real quick. They was really cute that day. Ow, look at that. Ow, ow. Okay, bye.